Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super easy, delicious and less oil recipe for you. Chicken folded wrap. This is perfect for those who don't like deep fried snacks but still want something crispy. If you're looking for a quick and tasty iftar snack or a lazy breakfast idea, this wrap is just for you. Sounds amazing, right? So let's get started. First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 3 chopped garlic cloves and saute it until you get a good smell. Now, add 1 diced onion, half chopped capsicum and saute it until they soften. Next, add 1 chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon chili paste. Mix everything well. Now, let's add some spice. Half teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon oregano and salt to taste. Mix everything well and add little water to bring everything together. Now, add 200 grams of shredded chicken and mix well. And our filling is ready. And now comes the fun part. Let's assemble the wrap. Take a circular wrap and make a cut from the center to the edge. On one quarter, place chopped cabbage or lettuce. On the next quarter, add the chicken fillings. On the third, place a sliced cheese. And on the last quarter, spread a mix of mayonnaise and ketchup. Now fold it one by one until you get the triangle shaped wrap. Now I'm going to toast it using the same pan where we made the fillings. Add little oil and toast the wrap on the both sides until golden and crispy. This gives a beautiful crunch without extra oil. And that's it. Your delicious, cheesy and crispy chicken folded wraps are ready. This is such a easy and light recipe, perfect for iftar, a quick breakfast or even a healthy snack. If you love quick tasty recipes like this, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Try it out and let me know in the comment how it turned out. See you in the next video. Bye.